Hello, this is the Sober Chef, and today I am making pork belly burnt ends. This is an amazing recipe that I found on the Traeger app, and what we're doing is using half of the pork belly that we got from Costco, and then seasoning it with the Hellbound Beekeeper blend. I am going to be linking that in the description. And cutting the pork belly into 2-inch cubes. Now that these are all cubed, I am going to be putting them on the smoker for about 3 hours at 225. So I am putting these on the Traeger now, fat side up at 225, and I am trying my hardest to make sure they're not as too close to the edges because that's where our Traeger gets the hottest. Right, it's been 3 hours and I am going to be pulling the pork ends. And that's exactly how I want them to look. All right, so these are finally done. And now I am going to be putting Sweet Baby Ray's, Clover Honey, and a little bit more of the Hellbound Beekeeper's rub. And I'm adding a cup of the Sweet Baby Ray's and a half a cup of Clover Honey. And then I'm going to give it a good mix. And then it's going back on the smoker until it reduces a little bit of liquid and it caramelizes. Just need to add a little bit more barbecue sauce. And now it goes back on the smoker. I am now going to be putting this back on the smoker for about an hour.